This is for FESP, so that is Freshman Engineering Success Program. Right now we are working on 3D modeling of Chicago buildings. Right now we do have a current model in the CME atrium, and that's what they're working on. The purpose of the class is for them to get experience in working as an engineer. So they're doing 3D modeling, working with SolidWorks, working with AutoCAD, working with Google Earth.
My class project was basically we were assigned a task to first go on Google Earth, search up any of the buildings that haven't already been printed, and start taking the measurements. We did that by using the basic tools on Google Earth.
So over the last 5 weeks or so, we've been just identifying a building they want to build, and then going onto Google Maps, identifying where it's at, the measurements of the building, using different programs that we have available to us here in this lab. And from there, they have been designing this building in a 3D modeling program. And today is the final day where we'll actually take their models over to the Makerspace, which is a resource on campus. And from there, they will be able to 3D print it in an actual physical model.
They're gaining a couple skills. One is they're gaining team-based skills because they do this as a team project. So they're meeting fellow freshman students and working with them. We have teaching aides that are upperclassmen, so they get to interact with them. And then they also meet the professors as well in their discipline. The other thing is they start learning kind of an engineering sense and what it means to design engineering projects.
Engineering is something I'm very passionate about, and it's something I know I will not get bored with. I hope to be a civil engineer, or at least be lined up to go into a job when I graduate.